This is how normally start-stop function is working. Hello guys, in this video I want to talk about the start-stop function and why it may not work. I will tell you 5 possible reasons for that. This is the button for start-stop. If you press it, you will disable it. By default, when you start the car, the start-stop function is working. Press this button only if you want to disable the start-stop function. The first possible reason your start-stop function not to work is when your steering wheel is turned left or right. It may be slightly left or slightly right. If you want this function to work, your steering wheel should be straight forward. The second possible reason is when your car is making a DPF regeneration. This is for the diesel engines. If your car is in regeneration mode, the engine will not turn off until the regeneration is finished. The third possible reason is when your AC is working. Usually, when the AC is working, the car will turn off the engine, but not every time. It depends on the temperature you set, the fan speed, and so on. The car decides if it can turn off the engine or not. So this is the third possible reason. The fourth possible reason is when your battery is low. If the voltage of your battery is not enough, the car will not turn off the engine. So maybe you need to recharge your battery or even replace it with a new one. And now the fifth possible reason, and this is the reason why I make this video. Because it happened to me and I was wondering why the start-stop function is not working anymore. The reason, if you detach the battery. I was in Opel dealer and they've changed the camshaft chain, so they've detached the battery. And when I got the car, the start-stop function was not working and I was wondering what is happening. After you've detached the battery, you need to drive the car for a few weeks, then the start-stop function will start working again. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more Insignia videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.